One of my viewers just bought me socks for my birthday, so today we're gonna try them on. So I got these thigh-high socks here, as well as some lace stockings. These were both from Taxpain, so thank you so much. I can't wait to try these on. And coincidentally, we also got this last minute from Nico Mini Moon, and it is a cute Spidey outfit, so this is gonna be perfect to try on these with. So I'm gonna pair these together for today's video, okay? I do want to give a huge thank you to both of you guys for gifting me these for my birthday. I am so excited to try these on and share them with you guys. Okay, I just want to say I am obsessed with this suit. Oh my god, it is so cute. It's perfect. I love it. No complaints, 10 out of 10. I'm in love with this suit. I can't show you everything, but obvious reasons. But it's so cute and damn, I'm obsessed. I might have to try on some leggings with this just to show you guys, but like, I am in love with this. It's adorable. I'm also gonna try it the other way around just because I really like the Spidey design on the back here. So we're gonna try it on both ways. Okay, this is exactly what I had pictured when I was thinking about this. Look at, this is backwards, but the low-cut neck, like, what? Are you kidding me? Adorable. I'm obsessed. Even the back, super cute. Like, what? I'm in love with this fucking suit. It's so cute. Oh, I also slapped these puppies on so I could actually ka-chow show you. That's what the back would look like. Actually, the back and the front both pretty much look the same, but I'm obsessed. Okay, for the actual try on, we are gonna put a bit of a modesty skirt. It's still very cheeky, as you can tell. It just covers a little bit more so that we don't get, flagged on this channel. But we're gonna start trying on the socks now. So the first ones are these Manzi socks. They are very thick, and it comes with two pairs. One's like a beige, one's a black. So we're gonna try the black ones on first. Okay, so we found a chair. The only thing I do apologize for is they are gonna be completely covered in dog. Whoa. I thought these were like thicker. No, they're like stockings, but there's a lot of them. Wow. Like 6 pairs of each color. What? Very deceiving. I thought they were gonna be like bigger, thick, woollier socks based on like the size of this package, but okay. We'll put that over here for now. Let's put these on. They also feel very tight. Wow. These are very snug. I don't even know how far up on the foot this is gonna go, but we're gonna try it on. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work because this was a gift. Next foot. That. It kind of looks really cute with this skirt, like the combination of the two. I don't even know, how am I gonna show these off? Hold on, I gotta figure this out. cute. I like these. They're like little lace on the top, and they're like sheer all the way down, but they also have like an elastic around it. So let's see if that'll help keep them up. Very stretchy, wow. Very different from the last ones we just tried on. Those are nice. They feel so gentle on the skin, so soft. Let's see if I can figure out this lace. There it is. There's the lace. It's a little snug on the thick thighs, but you know, I know they say thick thighs save lives, but they really, really don't save leggings or tights. They really don't. Or pants. Any material. Thick thighs do not save on any material. Okay, so we're kind of having that same issue that I have with most leggings where they don't want to stay up. So I have added a garter thing on this side, so it's a little heart. It holds it up, so you can see the details of the lace here. But it still kind of rolls in the back. But I'm thinking if I wear them with something like that, this one is staying up a little bit here, but it's rolled down, as you can see. So if it sits a bit lower on the thigh, it stays up. But if as soon as I go to, say, pull it up higher, that's when it'll start to roll down like that, and you lose the lace. So we're gonna keep it a bit lower, try to keep our lace up for this. 2 looks. But these are them. Okay, so the red ones feel like an entirely different brand altogether. The top is different, and the seam is on the outside of this one, which is kind of confusing because the lace is the correct way here, but the seam is inside, and that's on both sides. And it's a different elastic type top. The lace feels even tighter on these ones. So they won't go up very high at all, but let's try them on and show them off. I do like the color. Okay, so I'm liking the white ones. They're very similar to the black ones that we had. It does feel like they are still kind of riding down, but I think that's just the nature of leggings on thick thighs. But I think they're cute. They're very sheer. So it's almost like you're not wearing any stockings at all. That's kind of cute. I like that concept. See? right, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Which one was your favorite? Did you like the bodysuit? Did you like the leggings? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see more videos like this, I do have an Amazon wish list. If you get me anything off that list, I will do a review video like this at any time. It doesn't have to be for my birthday weekend or whatever. Anything that I get off the wish list, I do a review video like this. So I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day. Bye.